padding of 10 pixels. And then we're going to say position sticky, but this is going to be sticky to the bottom. There's reasons why you want to do position sticky, even for the bottom, okay? It's so that you don't have to mess around with a lot of padding issues and stuff like that. Now we're going to do a background color of white, right? Background color of white, right? And then what we're going to say is going to go background color of white, and then we're going to do a Z index of 100. Okay, so for this one, we're going to actually have, no, this is the input, sorry. We're going to have a background color of white smoke. For the background color. So the input, we're going to have the following. I'm going to just drop these in. Right, for the input, I'm going to have the following here, like this. And then for that one, we have it like that. Okay, there we go. And that's how we get this nice looking sort of stuff over here, right? The final thing on the other side is we're going to have a mic icon. So at the end of the input container, I'm going to have a mic icon like this, all right? So the mic icon isn't defined at the moment, so I need to go ahead and pop that in. So here, what I'll do is I'll pop the mic icon in. Guys, we are 6 likes away. Wow, we're 6 likes away from getting this done. This is crazy, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the credentials for the other Firebase project that I did. So that way we're all good. And we don't have to deal with any of this headache. So, you know, messing with the wrong person, dude. So I'm going to go ahead and swap my credentials out. I've got my other credentials for the build that I did, which, yeah, is completely good. So I can just go ahead and do that right now. And we can go ahead and have all of the stuff back and running. And it's just easy, you know, it's just very easy, right? So we can go ahead and do that. And now if I go ahead and refresh, right? So if I go back now like this, and let me hide that one there. So there we go. Perfect, guys. There we go. The boys always got away, even on live. Right. So now we've got this, right? So at this point, we've got all of these different chats happening over here. So if I go, for example, to Jay, right? So his message is not defined, okay? So we need to obviously fix the message portion of what we're doing. So I need to render in the message. So where have I got the show messages? Let's have a look. We've got the message here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on components message like so. And then we refresh. And let's have a look what's happening here. So it says objects are not valid as React children. So we're not actually passing in the correct structure yet, okay? So the reason what we need to do here is found with objects message timestamp user photo URL, okay? So let's have a look at our chat screen, right? So let's have a look at that one, and we can see here, we've got the message data, and then for the message itself, we have the message.data, and we have timestamp, which is message.timestamp to get, there we go, okay? And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to say, and let's comment out the messages for now, okay? Because I want to show you that in a sec, right? So if we render this out, there we go, okay? Now what we want to do is we need to basically get that input field stuck to the bottom in the correct fashion. So for the message container, we're going to do the following styles, okay? So message container, I'm going to go ahead and pop in the following. So we're going to go to our styled component, and I'm going to do a padding of 30 pixels. Where is it? Padding of 30 pixels, background color, and a view height of 90. And there you go. Like, look how nice that looks, right? But we have this overflow issue, okay? So we need to fix the overflowing issue and make sure that that's correct, okay? So at this point, we need to go through and sort of adjust the styles. We'll do that in a sec, but we need to make it so that we don't have this incorrect overflow happening. So if I go to my sidebar right now and I go to that container, I'll show you where we can